Hello everybody. Look, I'm all like prepared here. You got to nowadays. Life's changed, guys. How are you guys doing? Are you going insane yet? Do you have cabin fever? I know I definitely do. So anyway, this vlog, a little things that we've been doing around the house, little snippets from different days the last couple weeks. At the very end, I'm going to put in, for those of you that don't have Instagram, I went ahead and put in some of our Insta stories that we've had, that I've been putting up on our Instagram for the last few weeks, so that you don't totally miss out on everything. And this way, those of you that have seen Instagram, don't have to watch the end if you don't want to. But why not refresh? Maybe something will make you laugh. Oh my gosh, you can hear the dog. Sorry about the dogs behind me. Dixie and Traveler are like, let us in the yard. Skylan is making use of the trampoline today. Say hi, Skylan. And sunbathing, tanning, whatever you want to call it. And today I have been doing some vlogs for my personal YouTube channel, The Mouse Diva. And Tom was cutting the grass. Where is he now? I am seeing quite a few of the restaurants that have signs out saying that carry out or curbside is available. Oh my goodness. $1.59 a gallon? No way. Wow. I cannot even think of the last time I saw gas that cheap. I'm like speechless. I'm headed into the store for necessities, and I'm finding out that with this particular mask, because of the breathing and where my glasses are, my glasses keep getting fogged up. Like, I guess I might just have to actually take them off when I get in. Wow, there's actually missing places of books. Like, people are actually buying books at Walmart because Barnes & Noble isn't open. But look, I found a Walt Disney World official vacation guide. Well, here we are at Walmart, and a couple things we have to get. The main reason we came is because she had a prescription that she needed to get. People are doing good with staying at home. I mean, there's not, a quarter of the people that would normally be at Walmart here. Wow, score on the Walmart toilet paper. So they have 12 rolls and they have 16 rolls. Totally excited. They have ground turkey. Yay. Look, Langley got home as soon as we did and brought us Starbucks. By the way, check this out. Check out Skylan's drawing. She says she does the eyes too big. I think it's good. Her shading's awesome. So you're gonna watch a movie now?
Yeah.
I just watched The Pacifier.
Have you told all of your friends who taught Disney all his tricks?
Undisturbed place to work where you are? No.
Oh, you mean for school?
No.
Oh, you are lucky. Hurry up and wipe it up.
With what?
Disney, get it.
Like,
Disney.
go get a towel real quick.
Here.
She great. You're gonna get the dog.
He got it. No biggie.
She tipped her drink over. You're lucky it didn't go further in there.
Now the dog's drinking coffee.
And now you almost tipped your water. This is why, even at the age she's at, if I was to fix her a drink, I would only fill it halfway.
Come on, Disney.
And because she is such a klutz. Trying something new tonight. Cauliflower, gluten-free. Not that any of us need gluten-free, but anyway, cauliflower crust. So we're really interested in what it's going to taste like, but it's so tiny. It's like a snack, not dinner. All right, we're going to have Tom taste test this because he's the one that turned his nose up to it. So we'll see what he thinks. I've already tasted it. He's not scared of anything on the pizza. He's just weary of the whole cauliflower crust. Nice try. Not gonna happen.
It's mostly harmless. A little chewy.
That's what I was saying. There's nothing funny tasting. It's just it seems a little bit chewier than most crusts, but not chewy as in thick and chewy. It's like a different type of chewy, but I like it.
Is it kind of like Chewy and like Han and Luke Chewy?
That is disturbing if you're sitting there thinking about eating chewy. All right, this is what we're watching tonight. I'm bored. I've been watching the owl move its head. Since we can't go to Best Buy and shop, Tom shopped online. And tell us what you bought, honey.
Well, since my NutriBullet became so popular, it was given to me.
No, it wasn't. We bought it at Best Buy together.
Yes, it was for me. And since it became so popular with everyone, it broke. So it's just the base broke. These things are still good. So since I can never find a clean one of these.
This looks different, hon. Ours doesn't have this on there.
Yes, it does.
Oh, it came with it and we just don't know it's there?
Yes.
Oh, interesting. Okay. We never use it.
Nope.
Okay. So now we have 4 of these, which are great because
you shouldn't be drinking out of these. You should be rinsing them for the next person so they can make one.
And normally that is the case, but then there's so many of us eating them all the time. A lot of times they're dirty. So now we have 4 for a working one. And what else did you get? Okay.
4K HDMI cable.
What's that for?
For connecting our TV properly to the stereo system.
Okay, what else did you get?
I got an 8-foot digital audio cable so that all noise that comes out of the TV can be properly conveyed to the surround sound system.
Okay, what else did you get?
A little itty bitty.
Oh, is that my phone charger? Oh, thank God. Guys, I want to show you my phone charger.
It's not Easter yet.
It's not an Easter present. Okay, so I needed a new cable, and I'm going to show you why. This is how bad mine was, guys, and it's been like that for over a month. I'm surprised I never got, like, electrocuted. Tom's working in the garage, and somehow a giant bumblebee got in that that tub. Like, take it down and see if there's a hole or something. How did he get in there?
Well, there's no lid. Somebody
there's no lid.
didn't put the lid back and...
Oh, okay. Well, dumb bee. He can't figure out how to go up. Well, you just about killed him. Obviously, Tom was a little frightened of the bee. Because he basically dumped the thing down on the ground. That almost fell on the bee.
It was a bee! They sting people!
Goodness, he wouldn't have stung you. So this is what Tom is doing, by the way. He's having to replace lights in the garage because out of the 4 that are in there, only 1 work. So that's his project of the day. Wow, I love these trees. They're so pretty. Don't know how long this has been available at Walmart, but Lakeland just cooked it, so we're trying it. I wonder how close it is to something like Pizza Inn. Comment below if you have a Pizza Inn and love their desserts. Like their chocolate chip one the best.